Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use a VPN on the latest iOS devices. So, let's dive into the video. There are two ways to install and use VPN. The first method is to install and use the VPN configuration automatically. To do so, launch the App Store on your iPhone and search for the VPN app. Several free and paid VPN applications are available on the App Store. Tap on the Get or Cloud icon to start downloading the app and wait for the download process to complete. If you're using a VPN app for the first time, you must create an account to use the premium version. Some apps provide a free trial if you want to try the VPN app. In my case, I have subscribed to a paid VPN service, and you can find the best free VPN to use on an iPhone given in the video description. So I tap on the Login button, enter the email ID and password associated with my account, and hit the Next button. Then, go ahead and select the location from the list. A message prompts on your iPhone screen asking you to add VPN configurations. Tap on the Continue option to proceed. After that, allow your iPhone VPN app to add VPN configuration. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. The VPN configuration is going to be added to your iPhone automatically. Now, the iPhone is connected to a VPN. You can pause or disconnect the VPN directly from the app, or follow the 4 easy methods to turn off VPN on iPhone in iOS 18 update. When you tap the pause button, you may have 3 options: 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and 2 hours. For example, I'm selecting 5 minutes. As you can see here, the VPN status shows paused. You can reconnect by tapping on the Reconnect button. Also, if you don't want to use a VPN, click the Disconnect button. When I connect to the VPN, swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. You can see the VPN option at the top. That's it. Method 2. Manually set up VPN configuration. To do so, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the General Settings section. Then, scroll to the VPN and Device Management section. Select VPN and tap on Add Configuration. If you have VPN configuration details available, enter them and hit the Done button. That's it. So guys, this is all about using a VPN on your iPhone running the latest software version. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks.